Huson DIY. It's Saturday. I'm a Huson DIY t-shirt on. Time for another project. So today, the garage wall that we painted on one of the last videos, we're going to install 3 downlights on there. So let's show you which lights we're going to use first of all. So just off Amazon, I've got 3 of these. So just downlighters, which makes sense on the garage because we don't need any uplighting. So we've got downlighters, 3 across that garage. So let's get outside and get on with it. See you out there. Okay, this is the wall. 3 across there, so 2 in from the left, and then 2 in from the right, and then we'll go bang it middle with 1. So we'll drill through from, I think, from the outside in. Obviously get all the wiring sorted. And we're going to install another one just round the corner, like a security light on a separate switch. But we'll do the 3 on the front first. Let's crack on. So inside at garage, it's going to be about here on that second one, and then second one in around here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of banging it middle of here somewhere. Let's measure it out, get it all accurate, and we'll make some holes. Okay, I measured 2 in from either side, which leaves 8 segments in between, so 4 in, bang it middle, got a middle line, so just need to measure 11 centimetres down the middle line. Let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. Okay, drilling time. I'm going to use my STS drill, pilot hole through first, and then a bigger one through. Into the garage. Okay, 3 holes done. 1, 2, 3. Let's take a look inside, look at the damage we've made. Okay, a little bit of breakout from inside. Not as thick as I thought these, but hopefully we'll better get a plug in them. Let's have a look. That one there, it's a bloody bolt. Hopefully the garage doesn't fall down. Seems alright. And then this one. There we go. Okay, so let me go get the lights. I think that's it for now. Tilda, say hello. Hi. In your bike? Yeah. Show us, go on then. Woo! Okay, these are the lights. Stainless steel lamp. There's the downlight. So I've got the hole there going through for the wire. So obviously I'll put that over the holes that we've made. Mark out the screws. And try and get some plugs in them walls now. So I'll do the first one first, obviously. And see how we get on. Okay, so we've got the inside here. I'm going to pull that off, take the seal off. Like this now, so I've got just a plastic bit. Hi! Matilda. So I'm going to line that up over the hole on the wall, mark them with pencil, and then drill and try and plug. I'll try and get some small plugs that I can find in the workshop. Okay, so we've got this. Placed it over there over the hole. Put some little markers in there. And then started drilling. But it's not quite getting it with this one, so we're going to get the SDS on it. So we'll go get the SDS and drill them holes through. Okay, next step, we're going to put some wire through. Connect each of the lights up. And then we can do all the wiring, live wiring inside the garage. Okay, obviously it started raining because it's summer. So what we've done up here now is, where is it? Can't see because it's too bright. 2 plugs in. Got this. Gonna screw it in now, and hopefully it attaches well into the plugs. Let's give it a go. Okay, it's in. Got the screws in. Made a hole through the rubber seal there, so I'll poke a wire through now to the other side, and then we can probably put the light on for now, just until we wire things up. Got the wire connected onto the terminal block. I'm going to push this wire through, like so. Push that on there. Wires in. First one's on. That was difficult because it's not perfectly flush with the pebble dash, so they were really fiddly to get on, but we did it. We did it. All 3 on the wall. Let's have a look. Okay, all done. We've got 3-way. Took a spare off another lighting ring down into the switch, and then goes off into this junction box, into the back light, and then took another wire off all the way across to another junction box into the back of that light, and another wire to that junction box over there into the light. So it's all nice and safe behind junction boxes, all secure, all screwed into the wood. Light switch is done, so let's go and check them. I'll just put this cap on this, so that's safe, and I can put the fingers in that. So let's just go check this lights. Switch it off, and they're off. So we'll get some shots in the dark later. Okay, all done, dusted. Kind of went to plan. Most difficult thing was lining the lights up on the wall because of the pebble dash. So knocking some of the pebbles off to get them flat, which took a little bit of doing. Obviously the wiring inside took quite a long time to do that properly and safely. But it all works, so I'm just waiting now for it to get dark. Once it's dark, I'll get some video footage of it outside and show you the full after effect of it. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. And if you want to follow along, please subscribe. So hold tight and I'll show you a video now of the lights in the dark. Okay?